Hi friends, myself Suresh Parmar, Param Guru Pathshala English Medium School, Sarsa. Class 3, subject Maths, chapter number 1, Where to look from. Topics covered: exercises, worksheet for chapter number 1. In this video, I will cover exercises for chapter number 1. In the previous two videos, we learned the chapter number 1 in two parts. First one, question number 1. Write the different view of the following. Here some things are given. Look at the things, look at the picture. Here the first picture is stairs. It is stair. Tell me, which view is this in the first picture? Which view is this in the first picture? Tell me. Yes, very good. It is the side view of a stairs. Okay. Now, second picture. It is also staircase, but it is different than the first. Okay, when we stand in front of the second picture, we see this type of picture. Okay, so tell me, which view is this? What? Yes, very good. This is the front view of a staircase. Okay, so we write front for it. Then this is the third number. It is the picture of table. Is this a table? Yes or no? Yes, because when we see the table from the top, it is look like a box. Okay, so it is the top view of a table. It is the top view of a table. Okay, now the fourth picture. It is a picture of chair. It is the top side or front view of a chair. Yes, when we see the chair from side, it is look like this. Okay, so we write side view for the fourth picture. Okay, this is the fifth one. It is a picture of pencil. Yes, it is the top view, side view or front view of a pencil. Tell me. Yes, yes, when we see the pencil from top, it look like this. So it is also the top view of a pencil. 6 number. Which picture is this? Yes, it is the picture of bus. When we see the bus from our side, we look like this. Okay, so this is the side view of a bus. Understood? Now use a dot grid to draw a different shape. Shape is very easy to draw with the help of dots grid. Okay, so I try here to draw some shapes, some mathematical or simple shape. Okay, look at the picture. When we joint the dots with each other, it is easy to form the shape. Okay, if you want to draw a square, then it is also easy. How to draw a square? Yes, look at the understood. If you want to draw a triangle, यहाँ पे पिक्चर ट्राइंगल का ड्रॉ हो गया. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू ड्रॉ अ पेंटागन, then this is the picture of pentagon. If you want to draw a temple flag, then we also draw a temple flag with the help of dots. Okay, so we form many different other shapes with the help of dot grid. Okay, so you try in your notebook. First you prepare a dot grid and then draw different types of shape and also form some new patterns in your notebook. Okay, try it at your home. Now look at the next slide. Draw the following with the help of grid given below. Here also this exercise is also related to grid line. Here draw the following with the help of grid given below. First one, a kite. Second, a boat. Third, a star. And fourth, a fish. Okay, so I try to draw a first picture. Okay, how to draw a kite? To look at the yes, I draw again the picture of kite. Okay, so it is also I prepared with the help of pencil, with the help of green line. Okay, then the second picture is boat. This is the picture of boat. I prepare this with the help of green line. Now my next shape is star. How to draw a star? Look at the ऐसे हम यहाँ पर मेरी ड्राइंग परफेक्ट नहीं आ रही क्योंकि मैं अपनी उंगली से परफेक्ट ड्राइंग नहीं कर पा सकता। दैट्स वाई आप अपने नोटबुक में अगर ऐसे ट्राई करोगे तो ज़रूर आपकी पिक्चर डॉट ग्रिड से प्रॉपर बन जाएगी। ओके, नाउ प्लीज you try it from your home, okay, in your notebook. Now our next exercise, look at the picture given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar halves? If the dotted line is divide the picture into two equal half, then write yes. If the dotted line is not divided the picture into two half, we write no for it. Okay, the first one, look at the triangle. The dotted line divide the picture into two equal half. Okay, so it is we write yes for it because it is two similar half. Understood? Then the second picture, is this a two equal half? Tell me, we already learned in previous video. Is this a two equal half? Very good. No, because it is not divided into two equal halves. See, if the picture is look like this, then it is the two equal half, but here the dotted line is not given proper, that's why no for it. Okay, now the third number, is this a two similar half? Tell me. Very good. No, why it is not two similar half? Because if the line is given like this, then it is two equal half, but here the line is not proper, that's why no. Can you tell me this is a two similar half? Yes, very good. So we write yes for it. Okay, because the dotted line divide this shape into two equal half. Now tell me the next shape, it is divided into two equal half. Yes, very good. So we write yes for it. Now the next, can you tell me the next shape is divided into two equal half? Yes. No. Very good. Okay, because if the standing line is given, then it is 2 equal half, but here the sweeping line is given. Okay, then is this a 2 equal half? What? Yes. Okay, so we write yes for 8, because when we draw a line, we divide the given square into 2 equal half. Is this a 2 equal half? Yes, very good. So we write no for it. Okay, because if the standing line is given, then it is say yes, but here the sleeping line is not divide the given shape into 2 equal half. Okay, understood? Using a dotted line, can you divide the following into 2 similar half? So we already learned this in a previous video. Okay, see first picture. Can you divide the scissor into 2 equal half? Yes. So we draw a dotted line in between the two part of a scissor. So it is a 2 similar half. Can you divide the cattle into 2 equal half? No, because this side and this side both are different. That's why the 2 equal parts are not same. Two parts are not same. That's why it is not divided into 2 equal half. Can you divide the bell into 2 equal half? Yes. Okay. Then can you divide the 2 into 2 equal half? See, vertically and horizontally both sides are not divided, not same part. That's why it is also not into 2 equal half. Yes, tell me. Yes, when we divide the given shape into standing line or sleeping line, it is both way same. That's why yes. Can you divide this picture into 2 equal half? Yes or no? Yes. We do not divide the given picture into 2 equal halves, because here one small square is given and this side it is not given. So when we divide it into 2 equal half, one side has a square shape and the second side is not. That's why it is also no. Can we divide the button into 2 equal half? Yes. See, when we divide the picture with vertical or horizontally, it is same. So it is yes for it. Then the aeroplane, picture of aeroplane. When we draw a standing line in between the aeroplane, it is divided into 2 equal half. That's why it is yes, it is 2 equal half. Okay, understood? One half of this in this slide, one half of the symmetrical shape are given. Cut the other half of the same shapes given at the bottom of the page. I do not given here any kind of shape, but this is, you have to just draw the another half shape of the given shape with the help of pencil in your notebook. Okay, so here the half part is given. Look at the half part. It is given like this. Okay, so you try it. Try it with the help of pencil. in your notebook. Okay, look at. ऐसे आप बना सकते हैं। देन नेक्स्ट ऐसे करके आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो कोई भी शेप। अंडरस्टूड? सो it is also you do from your homework. Okay, first you draw this exercise in your notebook. Look at the shape ऐसे करके। ऐसे आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो। अंडरस्टूड? ओके, टू ट्राई दिस एक्सरसाइज इन योर नोटबुक फ्रॉम योर होम. Okay, now complete the letters and words with their half. You already learned in the previous video. Okay, first this is the letter D and I. Okay, dice. This is the letter C. This is the letter B. You try it from your home to write the H O W. How? C. The fourth one, C double O K E D. Understood? In this video we learn different types of pattern formed with the help of dot grid, side view, top view and front view. Then after half, similar half. Okay, and complete the letters and words with their half. Thank you.